In early January 2025, astronomers from the Minor Planet Center announced the discovery of a new near-Earth object, designating it as 2018 CN401. The object was observed approximately at 150,000 miles from Earth, closer than the Moon, raising initial concerns about a potential impact. However, within 17 hours, further analysis revealed that this asteroid was actually Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster. The Tesla Roadster was launched into space by SpaceX on the test flight of their Falcon Heavy rocket in February 2018. As of January 28, 2025, Elon Musk Tesla Roadster continues its journey around the Sun. The vehicle follows an elliptical orbit that takes it beyond Mars' orbit at its farthest point and closer to Earth's orbit at its nearest point. It completes one orbit approximately every 557 days. Currently, the Roadster is moving away from Earth at a speed of about 6,300 miles per hour. This incident underscores the challenges astronomers face in distinguishing between natural celestial bodies and human-made objects in space. The increasing number of artificial objects, including satellites and space debris, complicates the identification and tracking of genuine asteroid threats. Astrophysicist Jonathan McDowell highlighted potential risks, noting that misidentifying space debris could lead to unnecessary expenditures. A perfect example of this would be launching a probe to study an object believed to be an asteroid, only to discover it is man-made. In conclusion, the confusion surrounding the Tesla Roadster emphasizes the need for improved tracking and cataloging of space objects. Developing more comprehensive methods to monitor both natural and artificial entities in space is crucial for planetary defense and the efficient allocation of resources in future space missions. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.